My name is Alfie Carr and I am a finance apprentice at East Sussex College group. I was looking to do an apprenticeship because I wanted real-world experience rather than just carrying on the college courses. I could have continued doing level 3 and level 4 AAT, but I decided to do an apprenticeship so that I get some experience working instead of sitting in a classroom for 5 days a week. I prefer being able to have a mixture of both. I've definitely learned how to work well in a team with lots of other people, and I've expanded my knowledge in different areas. I do some systems, finance system stuff. I've worked with purchase ledger and I'll be working with sales ledger and also doing budgets and supporting that team with that. After my apprenticeship is finished, I'd like to go on to do ACCA and then become a chartered accountant and get that qualification. But for the meantime, I'd like to stay here and finish my level 4 apprenticeship. I think it's really good to do an apprenticeship because you actually get the real world experience, and employers would like to see that you have had that experience instead of just getting your qualification and doing it all in a classroom. I've been here for about 2 years now, so I've had a lot of experience in this apprenticeship and also doing lots of different jobs and areas such as helping different teams in finance.